Hi, my name is Clea. This is my third YouTube video, and I'm going to show you how to make slime. Well, a giant slime. So, did I get something? So this is my giant slime, and I'm adding on to it. So I just made that one. Really pokey. I really want to keep this one, but I need to make my giant slime big. So I'm not going to keep it. There's a hair in it. Ew. Okay, so now I'm just going to play with it because I just made it and I need to, like, poke it and stuff. Okay. I'll be right back. Okay, so I just put my slime over there so I can make another batch of it. So, let's start making another batch. I'll tell you the ingredients you will need. You will need contact lens solution, shaving cream, if you want to make fluffy slime. Coloring is optional, but I'm not using it. A container and something to mix with, and glue. Okay, so I'm going to start by pouring in my glue. I'll be right back when it's poured in. Okay, so I just poured in my glue. And if you don't know, before you put anything else in, you always have to mix your glue. And I'll be back when mine's mixed. Okay, so I'm all done mixing it now. And there's a little bit of bubbles. So now there's time to add in your food coloring, but I'm not adding in any food coloring. So now is the time to add in the shaving cream. So shake that up. I almost added in. Oh my god, look at the mess it made. Oh, I just wiped down this. I'll be back. I have to clean this up. Okay, I just cleaned up the mess. So I'm going to mix this all in. Be right back. Okay, so I'm all done mixing. Looks like that. Now I'm going to add my contact lens solution. Be back when it's all done. Okay, so it's all done. And now I'm going to knead it. I'll be right back when it's on my table. Okay, so it's on the table now. So I'm going to start poking it. I just made the world's loudest slime. I love poking it. It's so satisfying. Okay, now I'm going to add it with my other slime and play with it. So right now this is a really big one. So that's how you make a giant slime. Later I'm going to add this into that. Bye. Peace out.